Welcome to All in the Game. I'm Nupur and I have Ramya and Pradyut with me today for an episode of Word Chain. Now, you guys know what Word Chain is. We need to connect the words with each other alternatingly. All right. So, guys, I'm sure you guys know by now what Word Chain is. So, we shall begin. Let's start. Okay. So, your word chain for today is this. Okay. So, the first word is cold. What could be the next one?
Cold.
Starts with A 3-letter word. Very, very
Cold act.
Act. No. Yes. Although that's a good answer, but then no, that's not what I was looking for. No.
Cold.
Think. Something which is always around.
Cold air.
Cold air.
Exactly. Cold air it is. Okay. Air. What could be the next one? Air what? Starts with T.
Air travels?
No. Air travel, yeah, that's a good one. But R-A-V-E-L. Okay, travels you said. Yeah, okay. No, but that's not air travels either.
My god, this is difficult.
No, it's not that difficult. I mean, it's kind of like you just have to think a little differently, probably. Not even differently, I'd say.
What is this?
Okay, something that when you are mid-air, the
Turbulence.
that the aeroplanes face when too many of them are around in the same kind of area. So
Traffic.
Air traffic.
Exactly.
Traffic.
Good
Okay.
one. All right. Air traffic. It is. Okay. The next one is
Jam,
very easy.
jam.
Yeah.
Traffic
Jam. Jam. It is. Okay. Traffic jam. Okay. What is the next one? Jam. Hey, I thought this was easy after the jam. I mean, yeah,
Like peanut butter.
No, but it
Jam.
cannot be peanut butter. It is
Yeah,
like
I know,
just
it's only one.
a single word. So yes,
Jam.
jam peanut. I can't imagine that one though. Okay.
I mean, I thought jam, peanut butter, jam, jelly. Yeah.
Okay, it is not really directly a food. It's something related to that.
Okay, jam.
Probably another term you use for overly crowded.
Population.
Eh.
Jam.
Jam.
You feel
crowded.
you feel like kind of suffocated.
Jam packed.
Jam.
Exactly, jam packed it is. So I think my clues are good, huh?
Yeah, but we're
You
needing
get
clues
it
for
right
everything.
away. Okay, next one. I'm not giving a clue, Ramya, for this one.
Uh-oh.
Come on, let's
No,
see.
no, I
packed
want
what now?
Yeah.
Packed.
Packed lines.
Huh? Packed what?
Lines. Those.
Lions. No. I heard it as lions. I'm like packed lions. No.
Packed.
Again, food related.
Lunch.
Yes. Oh, Pradyut is doing better than you, Ramya.
It's okay, we're one team.
Luckily.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Perfect. Okay.
Table.
Timetable. Exactly. Timetable. Okay.
Table.
Top.
Tabletop. Perfect. Okay. Then last one. Come on, guys. You're on the last one.
So what is that for?
That is the last one.
The last one. Top.
Floor.
Floor. Oh! Awesome.
Top floor it is, guys. So yes, Pradyut clearly overtook Ramya today. Although Ramya is generally very fast. So yes, this was their first word chain together, and I think it was fairly fast. Bit of clues here and there. Otherwise, overall
Initially,
good.
yes.
Otherwise, overall good. Were you guys able to guess it faster than them? If yes, leave it in the comments. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and stay updated on all our regular quizzes and videos. Until then, we'll see you all soon in the next word chain quiz. Bye.